Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and today we are going to predict the Dogecoin, whatever you can call it. Let's head over to CoinMarketCap just to get the information about the volume. Here the volume is $2 billion. It dropped to approximately 5%. And let me show you something else on the trading view. Now let's head over to the technical analysis. Now these are the levels you see. Now let me explain you how the candles are behaving. Now you can see the price tested this area, okay, for a while. It stayed there and then the price went up, okay, got rejection, and here it accumulated again, then made another swing high, and then it was rejected, came back, got rejected, then went up, made a new swing low, lower high. You can see this was a swing high, okay, and this was a lower high, okay, and then again you see the price went down. Okay, let me readjust it. Okay, swing high, first swing high, then made lower high, then made another lower high, and you see this was the downtrend. It was going down the order. And now if we look at from the downside, you see swing low, okay, then higher low, higher low. Now the trend was following the higher trend, you can see here, and here it was doing the lower area. You can call this one, you know, channel. You can see like a pattern, this pattern, okay, a point where the candles were converged and it had to break either on the upside, either on the downside. And what happened, let me show you with the help of this chart here. Let me show you with this arrow. Now this was the area the price was making higher lows, and from the top side it was making the lower highs, okay. And what happened at this point, this was the point where it had to make a move. And what happened after that, the price went down, it break down, okay, and you saw a huge dump. So you see every pattern, there is a every move, there is a reason behind every move. So you have to spot the move. Sometimes we spot it with the help of support and resistance levels, sometimes we spot with the help of trend lines, okay. So there are multiple ways to look for the the analysis, okay. So right now, what is the current situation? After breaking down, the price went down at this area, okay. Now let me show you why it behaved to this area. Let me show you here. You can see this was the swing high, okay. Now let me draw the level. Here, so you can understand why. Here you can see here the price made a swing low to this level. So this is an important level as well, so I'm gonna consider this level into equation as well. Now as you can see, the price went down, this level was broken, and then once this level was tested, 0.2757 was tested, and then the next green candle, it rejected and it confirmed. Once we break a level, once a level is broken, what happens? Once a level is broken, then our next candle must be a green candle and it should reject from the level, and it happened here exactly at this level. And then the next candle made another swing low, and this usually happens because we got rejection from this area, and then another swing low was made here. First it was swing low, then another swing low was made, and now what happened after that? Another green candle testing this level, and now the next red candle, which is in formation right now. We might going to see another move down to this side, but if the volume continues to increase, we might going to see this level gets broken, and we can see movement down to this area. Or you can see this is the swing low here, swing high, sorry, this is the swing high. So we might going to see a level testing this area of support level here at this point, okay. Because you can see we are now in a phase of you can say in the downtrend right now. You can see here we are in the downtrend because we have broken this uptrend. This was the uptrend, price was making uptrend, but was making the lower as lower highs. So after that it went down. Now we need to accumulate at this region. So this is the region, okay, from where the price could bounce, but it still I'm not seeing anything about the we need some strong wicks like this one, okay, like this one, huge wicks, but it should be in green, then the uptrend would start. Otherwise the like this one, this was a very small candle with a low volume. We need a large candle like this one, okay, like this one, like this huge body candle, but with wicks. Wicks are necessary, guys, because the wicks of the candle tells you, okay, it shows you the the momentum of the you can see the momentum of the candlestick and the price movement. Like this one, you see, let me show you, let me zoom in for you. You can see this candle, okay, this candle here, it was there was a selling pressure, but then we saw huge pressure from the buying side, and it shows that we had a lot of buyers at this area and price doesn't want to go below that. And what happened after that? The uptrend got started, okay. And same on the upside, we saw 3 wicks from this area. 2 wicks got rejections, long wicks, huge wicks. It shows that their sellers are trying to book their profit, okay. And what happened after that? The price went down. Here we saw this green candle with a large wick. So wicks are very, these are necessary points, okay. These are necessary for the to what you can say, to predict the next move or the next scenario. So here you can see the long wicks, here you can see the long wicks. So long wicks with the large body candle shows a huge volume and a move. Now if we see right now, if we look at the movement, now if we take a look at here, you see there this area was a very low momentum area and it was the accumulation zone. Usually small candles, okay, like this one, you see, like this one shows you the accumulation period, and after that something has to happen, and it happened from here, okay. It follows a pattern after that, because price first accumulates and then follows a move up, then it breaks down, and then what happened after that? We see another distribution period. This is the distribution period, this is the accumulation period, and this is the a period after the accumulation, and this is the distribution, and this is the period after the distribution, which we see here, which we are currently looking at, okay. You see, so we might be in the 2 phases right now. Here I show you accumulation phase, then phase after accumulation, then move down, and then another accumulation. Now we are in this zone here, we are in this zone. So in this zone we might going to see an accumulation or a move down around the region of 0.21 to 2757. So this is for those people who want to hold it for the long term, and you can do the analysis on the 4 hour for the scalping, but on the, you can see on the daily I showed you the analysis. Now on the daily, on the 4 hour, you can see here the price went up, okay, got rejected. Now we are going down, and we might gonna test the 2.757, and after that we are going to hit the level of let me show you this level here, 0.26. So if you want to day scalp, you can place your buy orders here. If you want to, this is the sport 1, this is the sport 2, okay. So this is a 4 hour chart for the scalping, for the day trading, okay. So this is the current scenario of the Dogecoin, okay. And I think the video is getting long, so that is the scenario of Dogecoin. So you can take an entry on the basis of day chart if you want to hold it for the long term, and if you want to do the day scalping, these are the target areas. So that's it, guys, from my side. That was the price analysis of Dogecoin. Thank you very much, take care, bye.